Hi! This time I'm gonna show you how you can make a video quiz like this and play it with students so they can answer the quiz questions while watching the video, not at the end of the video. It's really fun and I'm sure all of you can do it. Let's go!
First, you go to islcollective.com and click the video lessons menu. Then to create a quiz, simply just copy here. This is the video that I want to make a quiz on and paste it here. But you need to register first because I already have an account here. I just log in. Just paste the video over here. You have three choices. You can generate vocabulary quiz or grammar quiz or make your own custom quiz. Alright, we're just gonna do this first. Okay, that one. This is the video and this is the subtitle from the video that you can use to add question later on by copying the text. You can scroll down to see the whole thing. First, you can play the video by clicking this button and you can adjust the volume, also mute it, and whenever you want to ask a question, you want to add question, you click that one. Let's start.
It's got a leather seat, of course,
Okay,
with haptic
I stop the
feedback,
video here
and there's
because I want
RGB
to
lights
add
because,
a
well,
question.
it's Razer.
So when you click this button, there are several types of questions that you can make. I'm gonna make the first one matching task. You click that one and type the instruction. When you're done with A and B, you mix the items and continue. Next, I'm gonna make the scramble sentence task by using the subtitle on AirTaxi. I just click this and click this one. Sentence to be scrambled. Change it like this. Cadillac from GM. Scramble sentence. And then continue. Now I'm
On
gonna
when it might
add
become
a
a
get the
reality, or
question.
even what.
Okay, select the gap. This one. And continue. Now I want to add an interactive picture dictionary task. Click this one. The question is, where is the face? So you need to mark the solution on the video screen by making this. Also you can make it like this. Yeah, you can make it smaller or bigger. That and do this. Continue. This time I want to make multiple choice question. And don't forget to choose the correct answers. Continue. Next would be an open-ended question.
And to give us a
This
hand
time, I
around the
want
home.
to
It's a
make
single up. It's no surprise that
correct
pandemic
the
tech
one word
is a
question.
big theme this year. From
Using this, I'm just gonna copy this, copy text to clipboard, and click this one. If you want to erase this, just delete it, yeah. And if you want to adjust the position, just move it around. If you don't want to use the whole video, you can cut out parts from the video by clicking this and just drag that one. Okay, so you're done. Yeah. When you finish with the video, you scroll up and save. Don't forget to write down the title first and then save it, and you can publish it. Just scroll it there. But if you want to make sure first, I advise you to preview your lesson first and check again playing that. Yeah. Okay, there are different playing modes, yeah, interactive mode, casino game. You can play that first, and if you want to edit it, you can click this one. Also, you can assign it as homework to your students, but if you want to edit it, go back here again, and when you're ready, you publish it. Now, when you publish it, you just write down the title, what's the description, the scene summary, and all of this, student type, yeah. Also, if you don't want to make your own custom quiz, you can try the vocabulary quiz or the grammar quiz by pasting it here and click that one, pasting it there. See, so there's choices. You want to make it like elementary or pre-intermediate. Let's say we want to do intermediate, yeah. Just click that one and generate the quiz. So it will automatically make questions. You can see like this, the question. You can add, if you want, in the middle you can add your own question, of course, yeah. But this is really useful if you don't have a lot of time, yeah. Or also you can do grammar quiz, so the same video but you want to have grammar quiz, so you click that. Maybe I want to do article, zero article. Okay, let's try that one, generate quiz. Alright, so that's it. That's how you can make a video quiz your own. And also, if you don't want to make your own, of course you can also search over here. There are tons of video here. For example, you're looking for, you can also check the level maybe for intermediate. Okay, hopefully this video is useful and you can make your own video quiz for your students. Bye for now!